Hello everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 12. I am basically wearing my favorite pants. You guys always see me wearing these throughout the years. I'm obsessed. I have them in every color.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree.
These are those sandals by Bottega Veneta, and these are all the pastel colors. They're super fresh, super summery. They're basically, I believe, from their cruise collection. And then you also have this style that I love. See all the different colors. They're so beautiful, and I just love the nude ones because they really go with everything. I just love how you see nudes in every single collection. And this right here is definitely my favorite color. In red is just absolutely gorgeous. And this chain is actually really heavy. It's beautiful. Look at this. Look at that. It looks stunning. This is the chain pouch, and there's a couple colors that just came out. This green color here, it's new. It's really, really beautiful when you look at it in person. This is like a chocolate brown. Then obviously this just looks stunning because it goes with everything. And then you have like this nude that is also so beautiful, really. These are just really different shades of nude, even though they are very similar. But then you also have this plum color that just came out. And if you want to have an idea, of what it looks like in another color, it's like this. So this is a green, and I mean, I just think that you can wear it in a lot of different ways. You can just hold it like this, or put it in your shoulder. It's just a really, really beautiful bag, actually. This bag is called the cassette bag, and it's cool because you can wear it across your body, and you have all these beautiful textures. I personally love everything that is in the nudes. So this is like a suede. This is like my suede jacket. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous green. It just makes a really beautiful gifting piece. It's a lot less than the other bags, at least with like the chain bag. This bag is 2,800 and the chain bag is 3,000 something. Look at this clutch by Bottega. It's called the double fettucci. This is what it looks like inside. So you can actually fit a lot in there. And you kind of close it. And what's cool about it is that it's just structured like that. And then you also have it in like this nude color. I mean, this must look stunning. Let's see. Let me show you what it looks like. So you're looking at something like this, just really structured. See? It's just a masterpiece on its own, actually. I just love how you see nudes in every single collection. Look at that red dress. It's like a mini dress. It's stunning. Wow. Look at the coats in pink. This is beautiful. It's actually like a very soft leather. And then here you can also see the fuchsia pink for like a dress. Wow. This has the back. Look at this. The back is out. This is beautiful. It's like the back is out and is a turtleneck, and then it has that fringe on the bottom. Wow. Pants, even though they are like wide on the bottom, look at this detail around the mid-leg area. And I guess that this is part of a suit. I would think it's too much with the suit, but the pants are gorgeous. And then here you have like the mini pouches that also come in like the nude and this beautiful like lilac color. And they're great because they have a sling, so you can sling them across. Look at all the different colors of the mini pouch that it comes in. Look at that red dress. It's like a mini dress. It's stunning. Wow. Now we're gonna go to Gucci because I want to go check the new collection out. But look at how beautiful this mall is. Like you can see all the palm trees. The cruise collection for 2021, so next summer. So this is pretty cool. This is a new collection as well. It's more festive, but it's just really cool, especially like now for the winter. Look at these boots. And inside they're super warm. This is like sheepskin. Look at this python bag. Look at this really beautiful like brown color. It's just neutral. Basically just goes with everything. And I like that it has a strap, so it's basically like crossbody. And then, for example, this one's small, but if you want something a little bit bigger, you have this one that has the top handle, and it just makes it really, you know, you can just wear it in a lot of different ways. Look at these pointy flats. They're so cool. They have this like this Cuban link chain on the top. You know how now this is super in style. It's so cool how you can do that on a shoe basically. That's so cool. This is a silk set. So this is the top and these are the joggers, and what's really cool is that you don't really need to wear them with sneakers because it is silk, so you can just wear them with flats. And look at the side. Wow. Fabulous. Oh my god, I am just such a good. This is the new boots that they came out with now for fall winter. So you have them in, so you have it in black, and then you also have it in this nude color that really goes beautiful with everything. Basically, if you're wearing, you know, like more of like the off-white winter colors and you're not necessarily wearing black, that's beautiful. Look how cool. Look, you basically open up these straps here, and then you have the lace inside.
And you have a zipper on the side,
wow,
so it's super easy to put on.
That's beautiful. These are also new winter boots. This is in a really soft, like lambskin, and they're just lined with leather. And then these ones are also new. Obviously, this is like a extravagant piece, but it's really cool. They're like these cowboy boots. And on one side it says fake, and the other one says not. Then you have the big one, and you also have this one, which...
This is like just to carry in your hand like that.
Oh, okay.
But this has a strap, so if you wanted to, you could carry it like that.
Oh, wow. And I love the classic nudes by Manolo Blahnik. I love this. I love this color. I love this material, the suede. Just such a beautiful, timeless. These are $665. They're beautiful. And of course, these are the GIANVITO ROSSI classics. You can see that this is the suede. I love this color. It just goes with everything. It's kind of like that blush pink. And then this is more of a cold suede nude. This really goes with everything. It looks great with jeans. And then if you also have the nude in the sandals there. Look at this beautiful blue sandal. This is my favorite color. This is gorgeous. And you also have like the flat one, and this is kind of like a vernis. It's not kind of like a vernis, it's a vernis. And then if you want to stick to the blue, you also have this type of low slim back with the bow in the middle, which looks really beautiful in the front because this falls on the leg. Look at these beautiful holiday shoes, how gorgeous they are. And look at this one. You guys